everybody! Today I'm going to make paella with my mom. For that you need a special kind of rice that we got from the store, which is called bomba, a paella mix, some spices, meat, boiled peas, chicken stock.
We also require chopped garlic and onion. This onion is optional and this capsicum is also optional. At the end, we will be adding this lemon juice on the top of it. Our cooking medium would be olive oil, and thereafter we will be adding the chicken stock, thereafter we will be adding saffron water.
Spices are paprika powder and black pepper powder. Fry some chopped garlic in the olive oil. Then add some meat to the pan and fry it for a while. Add some of the seafood platter on the pan, but don't add any of the seashells because they'll be used to decorate the top of the paella. Add the salt and spices according to your taste. Now add the bomba rice, but as per your requirement. Now mix them all together.
Add the chicken stock and mix it well. After some time, add the peas.
Now add the saffron water all over the pan.
It's time to add the boiled prawn, mussels, and on the top of it add the lime juice.
After that, cover the top of the pan with aluminium foil and let it cook for 10 minutes.
Check the bottom of the rice. If it is crunchy, that means the paella is ready. On the top of it, add some coriander or parsley, and the paella is ready.
Enjoy it hot. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.